TheTechSpace, everybody, and in this video what we're going to be doing is turning off notifications or turning on notifications for the PlayStation 4. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead, log into your account, and press up. Go all the way to the right where you see settings, click on it, and then we're going to go all the way down to notifications. You'll see the little speech icon, and you're going to want to click on that. So if you want to disable notifications or pop-ups while you're playing videos, you can go ahead and tick this box right here, the second one. To change the color of pop-ups, if you do want pop-ups on, you click this and you can either have white or black. Those are the only options that they have. Or you can go to display message in notification. Again, if we're turning it off, we don't want that on. And then again, notifications, when friends go online, you can click on that and change the settings in there as well. So if you want to have notifications when your friends come online, you can turn this on. But again, if you're turning them off, you want to have this box is the only one checked, and pop-up notifications here at the top. This is going to be the most important stuff. You click on that, and we're going to say disable all of these. So if you go disable pop-up notifications in general, and you uncheck this box, it'll uncheck everything else on this row, and everything will be blocked from popping up on your screen. Or you can manually go through and block certain pop-ups that you maybe don't want to show up while you're playing your game or while you're on your PlayStation 4 in general. So that's basically how you turn on and off notifications on the PlayStation 4. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.